walking with the ghost.
Lunchtime, and I can sit down here and watch some Netflix and eat, and then after I can play around the drone so you guys can see a little piece of where I'm at. Then I can go over there. I have a reef right over there, and I'm going to go over on the reef after I finish eating. No? I finished eating. And so my lunch was good, you know. I had something very simple, corned beef and rice with some you know, a child drink, children drink, Capri Sun. Then you can't go wrong with it. No matter what age, you can't go wrong. So the boy gonna chop the drone. Show y'all a little piece again, as I say. And after I finish throwing up that drone, what is I going to do? There's a reef right over there that I want y'all to get a real nice view of. So I can give y'all a nice view of the drone, then I can walk over there through the water. Y'all see? Y'all don't want to know what just happened to me. I just about to take off the drone with the bird's eye, and I forget to put on my joystick to control the drone. You could imagine that? So I just finished putting on my joysticks. As you can see, I just finished putting on my joysticks. So I'm going to get ready now and go ahead and set up the drone. I don't know if so I'm going to be walking over now. Well, I can walk over first to by the reef. Alright, I just put it on the water there. Me know if it's still working, but look how far water reaching me. So walking over the water, the water really shallow here, you know. I don't know what them black thing is. I don't want to walk through that black thing. Over there by the reef. This is a small view of how the place setup. You know? Listen, the British Virgin Islands is a really, really, really beautiful place, bro. If anybody looking for a really nice place to vacation, I think y'all should come to the British Virgin Islands, yo. I made it on the reef. Yeah. Listen, this place is breathtaking. This is just taking my breath away. See how they look? I just tried to put it under the water, but me, you know, waterproof, but look at where I am. Look at me. Look at the life y'all could be living here in the British Virgin Islands, yo. Bro, this here is $1 million island, y'all. Live and let go.
But I don't know. That black thing. I don't like that. It got some black thing in the water. I think like seaweed. I don't like the seaweed, yo. I don't want them things sucking me at all. I don't know what's with them things. I don't know what they're waiting and lurking, trying to catch me unexpectedly. But y'all ain't gonna catch me though. Yeah.
Wow, look at that big fish. Yeah. Hey.
Where them they going? I never see them boat here before.